Danny Masterson will soon face trial on charges he raped 3 women, and that's a victory of sorts. In the past, prosecutors have often taken the easier road of not pursuing charges against alleged serial sexual assaulters like Masterson, a lifelong member of the Church of Scientology who rose to fame as a star of the hit TV sitcom, That 70s Show. But fame and power no longer have the same inoculating effects for alleged perpetrators that they used to. The #MeToo movement and the horrific revelations about widespread sexual abuse in the Catholic Church have helped to level the legal landscape for people claiming to have been victimized by the famous and powerful, at least when it comes to criminal prosecutions. Masterson's alleged rape victims are looking to the civil courts for relief, too. And they are not suing just Masterson. They are also suing the Church of Scientology, its religious technology center and Scientology leader David Miscavige. The women, along with other plaintiffs, filed a civil lawsuit alleging that after they reported Masterson's assaults to the church, and, eventually, to Los Angeles police, they were tormented by agents of the church, which has strict policies forbidding members from involving police and courts in their conflicts. The church denies it engaged in retribution. Its spokeswoman, Karin Pouw, on Friday described the civil lawsuit as a sham, saying it was filled with false and scandalous allegations about the church dating back more than 15 years. In their complaint, the plaintiffs allege that those who go outside the church to resolve conflicts may face extreme levels of harassment, which, in the secretive, insular world of Scientology, is called fair gaming. They say their trash was pilfered, their technology was hacked, they were followed and watched, verbally harassed, subjected to credit card fraud and, in one case, suffered the mysterious death of a family dog, whose trachea was later found to have been crushed. But the lawsuit faced a big obstacle. 3 of the former church members had signed arbitration agreements when they became Scientologists, in which they agreed not to sue the church and instead let any disputes be resolved by a church-appointed panel. After the lawsuit was filed, the church responded with a motion asking the judge to compel religious arbitration. Late last year, a Los Angeles County Superior Court judge agreed with the church, ruling that the 3 plaintiffs who were church members would have to go through arbitration before they could seek a trial. By the church's rules, according to court documents, the arbitrators would be 3 Scientologists in good standing, and Masterson would have the right to be present. An appeals court upheld the decision.